What's up, family? It's your boy, Young Boy Huey. We are here with the reaction video to my girl, Lele Pons. First of all, for those who think that she's white, she's I was about to say Italian. That's Latino Italian, mixed together, Italian. But but she is Latino. And oh my goodness. Lele Pons she's just fine to me. She really is. She is too. She's cute. Now she's fine, but Lele Pons is just, oh my god. But guys, yes, I'm sorry about that. That girl just mesmerizing. But let's go ahead and get to this video, family. Shall we? We shall.
Honey and Joy Dora will be home soon.
Bye, you had to turn the camera.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Hola, soy Dora. And this is mi amiga, Boots. I lost my puppy. Mi perro. Oh no. Can you help me find him? Okay. That's great. Yeah. Have you seen my puppy?
Yo, they was waiting.
Yeah, right. I've seen it all over.
Okay. I'm so dirty right now. But have you seen my puppy?
I haven't seen it. No, yet. Sorry.
Okay.
I want to kiss the puppy.
I look like a bear. Yeah, you don't look like a monkey. Oh no, we're lost. Oh my god, what do we do? The map. The map. Get the map out the backpack. Where is it? It's inside. Get the map.
Oye, mami. I'm here.
Map.
Tranquilo. You look a little lost. Don't be stressed. I give you 3 letters. GPS.
Yeah.
That's my map. He keeps searching.
Yeah.
When I leave home,
Yeah.
he's got my back.
Yeah.
Hold up. Can you find the twerkers? Back.
Yeah.
We're so cool. The way we rap.
You look a little hungry. Is this snack?
Thanks for the fruit.
You know I got you, boo.
You're my best friend. And what about Boots?
Yeah, just go down the block and make a left.
Okay, cool. Can I use this?
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Yo, they are stupid.
Oh no. We can't go arriba or down. So, I don't know. Say it. Through. Yeah.
Oh.
Ay, Dios mío. What do we do? It's a mountain. Do we go under? What do I do? Do we jump? Do we go? Thanks for nothing, you idiot. We made it, Dora.
Yo,
Do
they
you
stupid
hear
for
that?
Fox in the back.
What is that? Swiper. Help us find Swiper.
Yo, that's how the kids
Is
speak.
he here or there?
How the hell you don't?
Louder! Louder, for God's sake! Behind us!
Yo.
Swiper!
Oh,
no,
he's gonna
Swiper,
cry.
no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, cut that Swiper! Yeah! Dora, that was hot. Let's go! Before the cops come. What the hell is this?
Yeah, okay, I see
There
it.
she is! Yeah!
Okay.
We did it! Gracias, amigo! Gracias! The song! We did it!
Oh,
We
God.
did it! We did it!
Oh, my God.
We did it!
Oh,
We
God.
did it!
Do y'all see,
We did it. Where'd it go?
Oh,
Where'd her go? Who took her?
oh my god, yo.
Did she? Whatever. Honey, we're home.
Yo.
Hi, we have a surprise for you. Surprise!
They stole her Yo. Guys, if y'all enjoyed that video, please. Oh my god, that was hilarious. I'm over here crying. Yo. I've never cried on a video. That was funny right there, cause that's really how kids be and Dora be. But guys, that was Dora, the Ratchet Explorer, Lele Pons, and Inanna. So, guys, please, if you enjoyed that video, cause I really did, please like, comment, subscribe, and share my page. Thank you for watching, guys. Real quick, do y'all see Lele Pons? Y'all cannot tell me she is not fine. Like, I would marry that girl. Jesus. She is. Guys, I'm gone. Thank you. Peace. I didn't end it right. Peace, fam.